y'all, it's your girl La Robin Lachey, and we are back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. In today's video, I'll be giving you guys a hair tutorial on how I achieve this boho box braid style and the reason behind the colors that I have in my hair today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the video. Now, let's get started by blow drying the wet hair. I'm not going for bone straight, but I want it straight enough so whenever I part my hair, it won't tangle. Now, I originally wanted black boho braids, but that did not work out because I was out of black hair. I only had a couple of packs of black hair. Now I have to go through all of these colors that I already have in my hair bag. So now I'm forced to put some colors together and hope they all complement each other. As you can see, I have a 425 here, and it's like a burgundy, and I only have one bundle of this 350. And I have a 30 and a 613, and there's my couple of packs of black hair right there. Now I'm not even sure where I get this hair from, but it's been in my hair bag so long, and it's probably gonna stay in there too. I'm going to get started by parting the first row and then part sections in my hair. The goal is to get the sections as even as possible. I know that can be a little difficult if you're doing your own hair, but you can achieve this by having a second mirror. These are the colors I'll be using in my hair, and right now I'm just showing you the products that I'll be using on my hair. And I'll also be using a rat tail comb and some clips to hold my hair as well. Now, let's get started on the first braid. You're going to start off by plaiting your real hair first, and then you're going to feed in one piece of the braiding hair. And then we're going to plait down to lock it in. And then we're going to grab another piece of braiding hair, and we're going to feed that in and plait it down a bit to lock it in and grab another piece and repeat the same method. Now, I know it's a lot of ways to do knotless braids, but this is the way I do mine, so don't come for me in the comments. Now I'm just simply braiding my hair down about 2 inches, and then I'm going to get started with adding my curly hair. Now this part is totally up to you, but I like to add about 2 to 3 pieces of curly hair to each braid, and then I'm going to use my clips to hold the curly hair back while I continue braiding, and then I add another piece of hair and add another clip, and that's how I keep the hair out of the way while I'm braiding. So again, we're going to start by making a plait with our real hair, and then we're going to feed in the plait with the braiding hair. We're going to lock in the braiding hair by plaiting it down, and then we're going to add another piece of braiding hair, and we're going to plait it down. So now I'm all done with the first row, and now we're going to get started on the second row. And I would like to say that the color is coming along. I'm really loving the colors I decided to go with. Here I am feeding in the color 30 in my hair, and I also had some 30 curly hair as well. When you're feeding in the curly hair, you want to plait down about 1 inch, and then you're going to add another piece. Just continue until you're satisfied with how much curly hair you want in your hair. And I just want to add, when you are braiding your own hair, your parts in the back is not going to be perfect. I mean, some people are that talented. Me personally, I don't worry about that too much because that will be covered up. But if you are the type of person that wants your braids to be perfect in the back, just use another mirror so you'll be able to make your parts as straight as you like. If you're liking the content so far, be sure to subscribe to the channel to see more hair tutorials like this. I am done with the back, and here I am showing you guys the progress. And so far, the colors are complementing each other, and I think I love it. Let me know in the comments what you think about these colors.
Kick.
Now I'm finally done with my hair. Now I'm about to apply the flexi rods, and we're gonna dip it in hot water so we can curl the hair, and I will be officially done with this style.